Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Firebase for app development and hosting. Complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Firebase for app development and hosting, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in firebase.google.com and hit enter. Once the Firebase homepage loads, locate the Get Started button, usually found in the top. Click on the Get Started button to access the Firebase console. You will be prompted to sign in with a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, select Create Account and follow the instructions to set one up. After signing in, you will be directed to the Firebase console. In the console, look for the Add Project button and click on it. You will be asked to provide a name for your new project. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of your app. You may also select your Google Analytics preferences, but you can skip this step if you prefer. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click the Create Project button at the bottom. Wait for a few moments while Firebase sets up your project. After completion, you will see a Project Setup Complete screen. Click Continue to access your project dashboard. In the dashboard, explore the various features offered by Firebase, such as authentication, Firestore, and hosting. To enable hosting for your project, find and click on the hosting option in the left sidebar. Next, look for the Get Started button in the hosting section and click on it. You will be guided to install the Firebase CLI. Open a new terminal or command prompt on your computer. Type in the command npm install g Firebase tools to install the Firebase CLI globally. Once the installation is complete, authenticate your CLI by typing Firebase login in the terminal. A browser window will open, prompting you to sign in with your Google account. After signing in, return to your terminal. Now, navigate to the directory of your app using the command cd/path/to/your/app. Once in your app directory, type Firebase in it and follow the prompts to set up Firebase for your project. Choose the features you want to set up. For hosting, select Hosting and proceed. When prompted, select the Firebase project you just created. Let the CLI know which folder to use for public hosting files, usually public or dist. You'll also be asked if you want to configure the app as a single-page app. Based on your app's requirements, respond with either yes or no once finished. Deploy your app by typing Firebase deploy into the terminal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.